Hi, I'm Guy Cook, and I'm talking today how to keep up with technology. One Monday, I just came up with kind of a writer's block situation. So what do? I said, well, I keep up with technology. Well, maybe someone would like to know how you do that. And this is a guide I put together for tech enthusiasts, small business owners, lifelong learners, people that want to get a new page in the book of what they've learned. This might be it, okay? So I've got the Google document right there in the screen, and if you're not on YouTube looking at this, then I'm going to say what I'm saying, and you're not going to see what I'm saying. But if you go to YouTube, then you can. Hint, hint. Okay, so we've got this Google document, and I put together what I think is probably the pick of the litter, the best of the rest. And if you go through there, it talks about the strategies that you need, the networking you can do, signing up for conferences, etc. So it's all in the Google document, and here's the gravy on the potatoes. If you scroll down far enough, you'll see the theguyrcookreport.podbean.com logo, and right next to it is the share to this document. So if you're driving in your car, all you've got to remember is theguyrcookreport.podbean.com, and that'll get you there to get the rest of it. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on youtube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.